when it comes to kung kunwari may nakita tayong critical yung stage ng mental health nila, we lack referral system. Like, oo, we do awareness, pero paano pag nalaman ko na may number of students who have critical or they already have the symptoms, but wala tayong pinakamalapit na takbuhan or that we do not know much kung saan tayo hihingi ng tulong.
So if you're given a chance to become the governor for a year, what are you gonna do?
Natanong yan sa akin noon when I was attempting to screen for Miss College of Accountancy.
Oh,
Yung tanong sa akin ni attorney that time, if you will be the mayor of Baguio City, how will you address these suicide issues circulating in the city? Sabi niya. And yun, parang natanong ulit sa akin. Siyempre, I would really go on more on programs, not only for awareness, but building the referral system and offices na pwede natin takbuhan and putting those referral system per municipality para mas maging malapit siya sa mga tao and then building or training mentors inside the school.
right.
So that when they get to see symptoms or may na-encounter silang bata na ganito, mayroon tayong direct referral or there would be someone na mas immediate na frontliner to address the issue. And then if it's really something that needs for professional intervention, meron na si municipality agad na tatak.
Parang yung kasi ang parang kasi hindi natin alam kung paano i-address. May mga ibang tao na magsasabi, papapansin lang later. And which is they're right. At papapansin siya ubing because they actually need help.
Listening to El Maestro Speaks podcast.